it depends where the review is left. So there's two places where you can leave reviews on Amazon, all right? So you can leave a product review, which is what you'll see here. These are all the product reviews right here, and these ostensibly should be reviews about the actual product. So what is the product like? And if we open it up, so here's all the different product reviews, okay, which is great. So that's one way a review is left. But there's another way that a review is left, and that's all about the seller. So you can get two sorts of reviews. Seller reviews are very, very important too. So here's all the seller reviews for this particular product. So that's the seller reviews here, 89% positive, 97% positive. So that's all your seller reviews. And Amazon treats them very, very differently. So for instance, if you get a bad review about the packaging of the product, then that's not a product review. That should go into what's called the seller reviews, because it's to do with the way the product was sold to you rather than the actual product itself. And so you can and should, if you find yourself getting negative product reviews about things that are actually seller reviews, you can get them moved from your product to your from your product to your seller, and vice versa. Of course, you can get them moved either way, and Amazon will do that. So I know of some sellers that actively encourage people to leave seller reviews instead of product reviews, and then they wait to see if the seller reviews are good or not, and then they get the reviews moved to where they should be on their product, so they end up with 5-star reviews on their product. I know people that do that. I don't do that, but I do know people that do that, and it's a bit black hat. In fact, it's fairly black hat. So you takes your money and pays your price, but I know people who do that. But that's how the review system works. Two different kinds, one for the product, one for the seller, and Amazon treats them very, very differently. So anything related to the product should go with the product. Anything related to the actual sales of the product, how long it took to get there, what the packaging was like when it arrived, if they give a refund, anything like that, or seller. And you'll find that you do get those kind of reviews put onto your product page, and so you can get them moved from your product listing to your seller listing, and in that way you can keep a nice shiny 5-star review rating on your products. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.